G'day folks and welcome back. I'm KC and today we've got another thank you video. Wow, from Fat Guy Productions. Now anybody that's in diecast on YouTube knows Paul from Fat Guy Productions. I subscribed to his channel a couple of years ago and he inspired me to actually start doing mine on one of the many channels that inspired me to start doing mine on the internet. So for that I really do appreciate it, and I'm on my way. This was a prize that I'd won when Paul was building the beer wagon, and I missed it this year because I wasn't in a good place. Anyway, situation was I will be joining him on the next one. That's guaranteed for sure. So yeah, Paul has sent me out an amazing prize, like something I do not even have at all. I have plenty of signed photos from Brocky and Moffat and things like that. Lucky enough. But this is his card here, so go and check him out. Paul Euldist. I hope I've said his last name correct, and I hope he doesn't mind me showing this on the net. It does have his address, but Paul Euldist, yep. And so cool. You should also be able to, if I come up closer there, I'll refocus on that there, and you should be able to scan that there, and it should take you to there. Alright, so he's on YouTube, so go and check him out. Like I'm saying to you, most of you that are there, you would know about it, but if you don't know about it and you're new to it, go and check him out. It's one of the most awesome channels out there. I put him in the same categories like Jakarta Diecast. Seriously, yeah, I do. He does extremely beautiful, clean work. Anyway, let's just show you another bit. Now, there's the postal tube that this came in. So let's go and see what else is coming. And it says, congrats, I hope you love the print. Oh, you got no idea how much I love that print. And thanks for playing, Paul. Oh, that recycled US currency. Awesome, isn't it? Righto, so let's go and show you what turned up. Look at that. Now, I am in a different lighting here. This is an extremely beautiful picture. So I haven't got it into a frame yet, but I can guarantee you I definitely will. Have a look at this down here. Tom Daniel, 28 to the 12th, 2020. Even signed in the first year of COVID, well, the COVID year, that we all had a terrible year. I hope things progress from there a lot better now. Look at that. Isn't that absolutely stunning? From Tom Daniel. Now, look, just go and show you another absolute amazing thing. Look at that. A Tom Daniel Design Limited Gold Sealed Edition 50-year ride, 1967 to 2017. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? My God, Paul, I'm absolutely gobsmacked. This will end up in a frame, and it will end up on my wall. So stay tuned for part 2 of that there when I show you it all in a frame on the wall. Wow, thank you so much, Paul. Awesome job. He's got a Tassie Devil tattooed on his arm as well, so geez, there's Australia for you. From the real down under, Tasmania, Australia, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Wow, look at that. Just another go at that. And then even this. Hey? Ooh. Man, got to get an awesome frame for this. So like I was saying to you, stay tuned for part 2. So don't forget, go and check him out. Yeah, so wow, Paul. Wow. Wow, that blew me away, I'll tell you. I don't have anything like it, like I said. Amazing. Thank you so much. You got no idea how much that means to me, that picture. Thank you. I appreciate it from the bottom of our hearts. Look after yourselves. And everyone, thanks for watching. And don't forget to go and check him out, Fat Guy Productions. Go and check out Paul on his YouTube channel. And yeah, well, no doubt we'll be bringing you more. And geez, don't know if we can beat this bit. But anyway, take care, everyone. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you all again on the next one. Bye for now. Well, wow, what did you think of that, what Paul sent? It's awesome, isn't it? Righto guys, welcome to the second episode of What's in the Workshop. As you can see, there's a bit of a change been going around there. At the moment, with the Chevy Vega on the hoist there. About to start him shortly next week. Now, what we do have is these wheels here. My mate Steve, he got this car from down at the markets for $1, and someone had drilled it and stole all the wheels off it, and it's metal. I've since put new wheels on it with Toyo tyres and all that sort of stuff. That's where I've started. But what I'm going to do something special for him, and we're going to turn it into something pretty cooler than what it looks there. It's got a bit of damage around it, a bit of chipping and all that sort of stuff there, but that's not too much to worry. It's a lot better than the ugly wheels that he stuck on it when he got the car that wouldn't roll. Righto, so that's what's else in there. Now also, you see the two Commodores in the background there, the yellow one there, they're both for Road Warriors 4. So if you want to hop over to Hot Car Track and check out the circumstances and all that involved there, you've got plenty of time to build cars for Road Warriors 4 because he's got heaps of other events before it. So if you want to get involved in custom diecast racing where you're guaranteed to drive and build your own car, that's where you can do it. So and that there speeds it up. Now I'm going to also show you something else that we do that can actually boost your confidence. I get cars. Now if you pick the right cars with the right paint job, right, you don't have to paint the car, but you can turn them into an awesome kick-ass custom without painting it, just by changing the wheels, picking the right cars. And I'm going to show you how I do things my way, tips and tricks in the workshop. There's no book and a manual on how you're supposed to do it. Everyone has their own way. I'm just going to show you the way that I do it, and you get some really awesome details, a flash looking car, really easy. And as you can see, I'll just show you this one here. I've only just started this one here, the Studebaker. You can see I've already done the headlight ring and got that done. Now I get a blade and I shave it off in different areas. I don't scrape, I shave. I've had bad days where scraping, if you shave it just gently and take it all off there, you can do it. So I did the headlight ring on there just to start, so you can just imagine what else is available. You've got the wires on the bonnet and all that sort of stuff. Now if we do a wheel swap down there and you see these Falcon wheels on the back here and we put them right around, that already makes it super cool. But then when we also do all of the taillights, because there's nothing on the taillights, we do all of the taillights and we do all of the front and everywhere else there, moulds, mirrors and everything else there, you can have a lot of fun. It'll increase your confidence, and you can actually make really cool cars easy without painting them. Alright, that's about it for What's in the Workshop this time round. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and guess what? Look after yourselves and we'll catch you again on the next one. Bye for now.